The next topic is World Wide Web. What is World Wide Web? It is the way of exchanging the information between the computers on the internet. The World Wide Web is the network of pages, of images, text and sounds on the internet which can be viewed using browser software. What is background? From 1989 to 1990, Tim Berners and Lee invents the World Wide Web at Shen, means for transferring the text and graphics simultaneously. There is a lot of previous attempts that can be are used in the www, Gopher, Waves, Achieve, Strando, and etc. Client-server data transfer protocol. It can be established the common language for sharing the information on computers. Structure. Client use browser application to send URI via HTTP to servers requesting the web page. The web page constructed using HTML or other markup languages and consists of the text, graphics, sounds, plus embedded files. Servers that can be responded with the requested web page or with error page. Client browser renders the web page written by the server. The pages can be written by using the hypertext markup language HTML. It can be used to display the text, graphics, sounds in browser, writing the data as well. The entire system runs over standard networking protocol, that is the TCP, IP, DNS and etc. WW components. The structural components are client browser, server, caches and internet. The client browser means to dominate the implementation. Servers run on sophisticated hardware. Caches many interesting implementation. Internet, the global infrastructure which facilitates the data transfer. Semantic components, HTTP, HTML, XML and URI. HTTP is defined by the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTML is the Hypertext Markup Language. XML is the Extensible Markup Language. URI is the Uniform Resource Identifiers. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the application level protocol for collaborative, distributive, hypermedia information system. It is the data communication protocol used to establish the communication between the client and server. It is a good example diagram for the HTTP. It is the TCP IP based communication protocol which is used to deliver the data like image files, query result, HTML files, etc. on the World Wide Web with the default port is TCP/80. It provides a standardized way for computers to communicate with each other. The basic characteristic of HTTP. It is the protocol that allows the web server and browsers to exchange the data over the web. It is the request response protocol. It uses the reliable TCP connection by default on TCP port 80. It is the stateless, means each request is considered as the new request. In other words, server doesn't recognize the user by default. The basic features of HTTP. HTTP is the media independent. It specifies that any type of media content can be sent by HTTP as long as both the server and the client and can handle the data content. HTTP in connectionless. It is the connectionless approach in which HTTP client, that is the browser, initiate the HTTP request and after the request it sends the client disconnects from server and waits for the response. HTTP is a stateless. The client and server are aware of each other during the current request only. Afterwards, both of them forget each other. Due to the stateless nature of protocol, neither the client nor the server can retain the information about different resource requests across the web page. The basic architecture of HTTP. It is the figure of the basic architecture of HTTP. HTTP request. The request sent by the computer to the web server contains all the sorts of the potentially interesting information. It is known as HTTP request. HTTP request method. These are the method and description that are used in the HTTP. Get. Ask to get the resource at the requested URL. Post. Ask the server to accept the body into attached. It is like get request with extra into sent with the request. Head. Ask for only the header part of whatever a get would return, just like get but with no body. Trace. Ask for the look back for the request message for testing or troubleshooting. Put. Says to put the enclosed information, the body, at the requested URL. Delete. Says to delete the resource at the requested URL. Options. Ask for a result of the HTTP methods to which the thing at the request URL can respond. The HTTP response. The HTTP response sent by the server to the client. The response used to provide the client with the resource it requested. It is also used to inform the client that the action requested has been carried out. It can also inform the client that an occurred in the processing its request. And HTTP response contains the following things: status line, response header field, or a series of HTTP header and the message body. In the request message, each HTTP header is followed by the carriage returns line feed CRLF. After the loss of HTTP headers, an additional CRF is used, and that begins the message body. Thank you to all for seeing this PowerPoint presentation.